welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new video. There is a cat and it's not Duke, it is Lola. Every time I do a face-to-face intro, it's always one of them. Do you want to say hello? Little Miss Lola. It's a little bit chilly here today, so she follows me around. Today's video is going to be a quick 20-minute speed clean. I'm just going to pop on a timer. I really need to tackle the stovetop. The kids have been in charge of cleaning up the kitchens in the evening, and that's one task I haven't showed them to do. So I need to tackle that. It's looking pretty grubby, and I'm just going to do a few more little cleaning tasks. But if you are after some motivation today, I would love for you to stick around and continue watching today's video. And if you are new here, hello, my name is Michelle. I am a mum to 3 gorgeous children. I live in sunny Queensland, Australia with my husband Chris and our 3 beautiful kids. And here on my channel, I make cleaning videos, 1 to motivate me and 2 hopefully motivate you as well. So if you would like to join YouTube family, I would love for you to click that subscribe button and click the bell notification so you do not miss out on any videos of mine. But I'm going to stop rambling and let's get cleaning. So I am starting this 20-minute clean in the kitchen, and I'm just popping a few of the dishes from breakfast in and making lunch, in the butler's pantry, and I had a few things piled up from the weekend in the kitchen as well that I needed to pop away, and I forgot to put my timer on, got distracted, but don't worry, I will share that with you that the 20-minute timer is going on. My kids have been really good of late of popping their breakfast dishes in the dishwasher. This morning they didn't because I hadn't unpacked the dishwasher before they had breakfast, but they did pop them in the sink. And I'm also just going to give the surfaces a spray with the Method antibacterial rhubarb spray. I love the smell of this one, and I'm just spraying it, letting it sit and do its magic for the 5 minutes. So you'll see me work around the kitchen, and then I will come back and wipe that over. So we had the TikTok pasta last night, and when Olivia cleaned up, she left a little bit of the pasta there. I haven't told the kids to actually wipe this over when they clean the kitchen up at night. They do wipe over the benches and the dining table, but I just let them leave that, and I just tackle that during the day. And I had just made a sandwich in the George Foreman, so I was just giving that a quick wipe over and popping it away, and just popping all these things away on the bench too. I also use the Method degreaser on the stovetop, which you'll see me use shortly, and I will spray that and let that sit for a bit while I work around on the counters. And this basket here is where I throw anything that needs to go into the laundry downstairs, and that's Lola having another walk past the camera, and I'm just popping those dishes from breakfast in the dishwasher and popping away any of the cleaning products that I had out. I need to reorganize this again. I got some new products from Co that I love, and I need to find a spot to pop them as well, and then I'll just pop all those dishes that were washed up and not put away last night away.
Seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's...
So the timer went off, and it was actually probably only 12 minutes because I was moving the camera around, so I set it for another 10 minutes just to get things done. I have been enjoying doing little speed cleans during the day of late and doing one big clean a week, just focusing on getting the real deep clean, and just so every day I just do a little speed clean of putting a load of washing on, a quick vacuum with my Dyson V10. If I'm doing a deep clean, I'll use my Shark, and just wiping over the bathrooms and stuff like that. But today I just thought I'd show you a quick 20-minute tidy up, and I really enjoy doing this. Racing the clock always keeps me motivated, and I also had already popped a load of washing on, which was my sheets from my bed, and I'll share that with you soon, of the beautiful wind that dried those sheets super quick for me. Here they are now. It was a lovely windy day, and it was just perfect.
Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark?
And today, while I'm cleaning, I have got YouTube on my TV, and I am watching Vic from Clutter Free Zone. She has just started her channel, I believe, in November, and oh my goodness, it is awesome. I recently discovered her a couple of weeks ago, and in the time that I have started following her, she has grown rapidly, and I wish her all the success. But if you are after another cleaning channel and want to be motivated, then definitely go check Vic's channel out. I will link her channel below, but I am absolutely loving her channel.
Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm ready.
And the timer has gone off, so I'm just going to quickly pop on a 5-minute timer and use my Dyson V10 Animal to do a quick vacuum of the living room and the kitchen. I love this vacuum to do quick cleans, but as I shared with you a couple of weeks ago, I have been enjoying my Shark corded upright vacuum by Shark, which is the NZ801, and if you head on over to Instagram at the moment, if you are an Australian, you can win yourself that exact vacuum. But I'll pop the link down below as well, and you could, yes, very well win one yourself. But I'm just going to finish off this vacuuming, and that will soon conclude this cleaning video.
Kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this video gave you the motivation that you were looking for today. And if you needed some more motivation, then definitely click on the playlist that I pop up on the screen now. I have hours more of cleaning for you. And make sure you definitely click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on my next video, which will be a whole house clean with me. But I hope you guys have a lovely rest of the day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.